how to pronounce this one? Salva. And also we have the parents of Kaylee Rose Leanita. Thank you, thank you. And to the parent of Ferdy Kabasa, dagdag kayong salamat. To the parent of Arnold Green, Prince John Kabasa, thank you so much. And to the parent of Faye Elise Manuel, thank you so much. A very important announcement to everybody. Kung kinsan itong nakakita sa cellphone nga Vivo S7 with a case nga phone cases na naka-print ng NASA. Again, requesting sa mga nakakita, please, ayan, sa Vivo V7S na case nga nasa, please can you return it to one of our groomsmen na nanagyan ng bakle-bakle sa front with the eyeglasses sa lang siya, please i-return lang sa iya. Kung kinsa ba na nakakita ato, mulambo ang iyahang kinabuhi. Ang iyahang mga negosyo, mulambo o successful. Ayan. Kung dili ko niya iuli, basta. Alright. So now once again, everybody please, for all of us, let's check out that one. Last shot na po natin yan. It's our coffee station. We're going to continue that one. A few minutes from now, we need to start our program properly to get it very lovely coffee. And also thank you so much for secondary sponsors.